Today we're working on this one's a Nissan Altima, but sometimes pins are stuck inside there. You can heat it up and beat on it with some vice grips, but then you got to buy new rubber. So I was looking through YouTube. I didn't find too many other good ideas to get these out. I figured this one out. I'll take a few big wrenches and lay them over it. Ones that'll go all the way around. You got the top one small enough that you can get a washer through it or over it. You can get you a wrench size that holds the caliper. In this case, this little Nissan, it's a 17. The caliper pin. Because first it's going to want to spin before it starts moving, so that'll help with that. And you just tighten your bolt down, and it will pull it out of that wrench, the one that fits it eventually. And that's pulling that pin on out of there. And once it gets to a certain point, you kind of line a couple of the wrenches up and squeeze them together and push it on out of there. And the rubber's not damaged any more than it already was. And there's your pin. You can clean it up, clean up the hole, and put it back together. All right.
Do I hit the red dot? Or will that delete it?